It is known that Jewish American literature is one of the most important literary phenomena in the history of American literature. It covers tradition of writing in English primarily, as well as in other languages like that of Yiddish. During its initial period between 1885 and 1935, Jewish American literature was written in Yiddish, a language which was used by Jewish people in Central and Eastern Europe before the Holocaust. But if we look nowadays, it is primarily written in English, and this literature is said to be a corpus of writing about the Jewishness in America. However, some Jewish writers oppose to call themselves Jewish. This may be because they feel that such a reference to their literature is harmful as it limits the horizons of their works. Now, one may question that how so many Jews arrived in America. This took place when the Russian Tsar Alexander II was assassinated and his son Alexander III took over the reign of the country, resulting in Russian government's policy of persuasion of Jews, which led to Jewish oppression. These atrocities thus forced millions of Jews to migrate to America. Now, the beginning of Jewish American literature. Jewish literature in America started with memoirs and petitions of the immigrants who arrived to the American shore as early as the 17th century. During this time, the main thematic concern of their writing was dilemma of identity. They were focusing on regenerating their identity because, being outsiders, the Jews in America were usually treated as outsiders and discriminated by the European whites on the basis of their religion and culture. So, the Jewish community felt alienated from American mainstream social structure and tried to establish their own individual Jewish identity through literature, which was a very tough task, given the social circumstances in which they were forced to live. After their initial effort at establishing identity, it is seen that the Jewish community tried to get subsumed within American mainstream as reflected in the later works of Jewish American writers. And their writing flourished to other genres as well, including fiction, poetry, and drama. Moving towards the early part of 20th century, we see that the most important Yiddish writer of the early 20th century was Abraham Cahan. He is known for his brilliantly written novel, The Rise of David Levensky. This is a story of a Jew named Levensky, who gives up his Jewish heritage and becomes a secularist. It leads him to be a successful millionaire in the American society. Through this novel, Cahan shows the emptiness of Levensky's life despite his material success. The other writers who stepped upon the footsteps of their predecessor are Angela Ezerska, Sidney Nyberg, Samuel Ornitz, and James Oppenheim. These writers too exhibited their ideology of life through their works, according to which secularism is the most important aspect in human life, which helps to address and effectively solve many of the problems of human life. They also rejected the narrow concept of Jewishness and almost discarded the Jewish traditions, as they were more interested to present themselves as secular rather than Jewish. Apart from this, there were some Jewish American writers like Nelson Argan, Isador Schneider, and Albert Harper, who considered socialism to be the more effective answer to the problems of the Jewish community all over the world. During the later part of the 20th century, Jewish American literature became a part of the mainstream American culture. Shaw Bellows' Adventure of Aubrey March, with its famous opening lines, "I am an American, Chicago born," announced that Jews should be looked upon as an integral part of the American society. Another, Gimpel the Fool by Isaac Bashevis Singer, came up with its very different approach, which remembered, celebrated, and romanticized the old world of Judaism. These two approaches, one that of complete alienation of the Jews with America, and the other that of celebration of Judaism, have been there for quite some time now. And as mentioned here, these writers dealt with various problems of the Jewish through their works. More recent authors like Paul Auster, Michel Chabon, Yelit Waldman, Joshua Cohen, Helen Epstein, Jonathan Safran Foer, Alan Kaufman, Nicole Krauss, Lev Raphael, and Art Spiegelman have continued to examine dilemmas of identity in their work, turning their attention especially to the Holocaust and the trends of both ongoing assimilation and cultural rediscovery exhibited by younger generation of American Jews. Arguably, Leon Uris was one of the very outstanding Jewish American writers who is known for his brilliantly written novel Exodus. This work narrates the story of the struggler to create the modern state of Israel. It is translated into Russian and became inspiration for hundreds and thousands of Russian immigrants to Israel. This literature usually contains Jewish characters, which enable the writers to address the issues close to the lives of people. There are also Jewish American writers like Isaac Bashevis Singer, Joseph Brodsky, Bob Dylan, and Saul Bellow who have won the Nobel Prize for their works. Modern Jewish American novels often contain issues and themes of importance to Jewish society, like assimilation, Zionism, Israel, and anti-Semitism, along with the recent phenomena known as New Antisemitism. Then, magazines like The New Yorker have proved to be instrumental in exposing many Jewish American writers to a wide reading public.
Having said this, we come to the end of this video. So thank you and keep learning.